Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to copy or duplicate somebody else's notebook inside of NotebookLM. So to get started, you're going to want one thing, and that's the URL or sharing link of the particular notebook. So let's say, for example, I would like to send this to my friend, or you've received a notebook from your friend. They've sent you a link, and you're going to be able to receive this link, for example, by the certain person from the certain person. And as you can see, I have it open right now. And if I wanted to create a copy of this and duplicate it, all I have to do is click on the copy button at the top right of my screen. So this will open up a small prompt, and you will also have the option of retitling or renaming this copy of the notebook. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as it is, and I'm going to click on create. So after a few seconds, it should automatically open up a new window. And as you can see, here's the copy of the notebook. So this is really useful if you've been shared a notebook or have found something online, but you would like to make some changes to the source list, for example, or you would like to do your own things in the studio without having other people being able to see it. So it's a really good technique to be familiar with and can save you a whole lot of time. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's really quick and really easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.